In this video, you'll learn how to remove an item from your cart on eBay. This guide will help you manage your shopping selections effectively and ensure that only the desired products remain in your cart. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you're signed in, locate the cart icon, which is typically found at the top right corner of the eBay homepage. This icon resembles a shopping cart and is easily identifiable. Click on this cart icon to access your shopping cart and view all the items currently added. After your cart opens, take a moment to review the items listed. Identify the specific product you wish to remove. It is crucial to ensure that you do not mistakenly remove items that you still intend to purchase. This careful review will help you manage your cart efficiently and prevent any accidental deletions. Next, locate the remove option next to the item you want to delete. This option is usually displayed clearly beside each product in your cart. Click on the remove link and a confirmation prompt will appear to verify your action. Confirm the removal to complete this process. Once confirmed, the item will disappear from your cart, indicating that it has been successfully removed. If you have additional items that you wish to delete, repeat the same process for each of those products. This step is important because it allows you to ensure that only the items you want to keep remain in your cart, reducing the risk of accidentally checking out unwanted products. To verify that the item has been successfully removed, refresh your cart page. This action will update the display, allowing you to confirm that only the items you wish to purchase are still present. Take a moment to review the remaining items, including their quantities and prices, before proceeding to payment. This careful verification is essential to avoid mistakes during checkout and can save you time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.